Hey everyone, welcome back to Codemaster Lab. Today we are talking about a serious security threat called cross-site request forgery and how to protect your CodeIgniter 4 application from it. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future CodeIgniter 4 tutorials. Let's see the problem. Imagine you are logged in your bank account. You open an email with a suspicious link and without even clicking anything, your account unknowingly transfers money to an attacker. Scary, right? This is called CSRF attack. Hackers trick used into performing unwanted actions on a trusted website without their consent. So, how does CodeIgniter 4 help us to prevent this? Let's see. Let's see a problem. We have a simple sign up page, as you can able to see. In my previous video, I have created a simple sign up form, right? Where user is entering name, email, password. Normal, looks normal, right? But there is a big security. An attacker can create a fake website that sends a hidden post request to this form. The same form which I am using, the request is the same URL, right? So he can create one website, similar form kind of thing, and then he can just enter that AJAX. If you are logged in, the request is processed without your knowledge, which means your site has not given any permission for him to log in, but he is able to get those data leaks. Okay, this is malicious actions. For this, the solution we will discuss. First, let's go to app config filters, and then there will be a CSRF. Just it will be in comments. Just uncomment it. It will be in before in global. Globally, you need to enable your CSRF. Now every form must include CSRF token to be accepted by the server. Now what happened here is, now CodeIgniter engine will know like this entire project needs CSRF token. So the server will wait for the token. If token is there, then it will allow to give the response. It gives the response. Otherwise, it will not. Second thing, what you need to do? Next update, you need to update your HTML forms. Include a small CSRF underscore field. Just echo it below to your form. This will generate a hidden CSRF token. Every form must have this CSRF token. Now, since we are using AJAX, we must manually send CSRF token. So, what we will do? We will go to our meta tag in our header and we will add meta name as CSRF-token. Content will be CSRF hash. Okay. It will automatically generate the tokens. Now, I have told you the magic script which I have already written. It handles the CSRF tokens as well. So, if you have that magic script, it's good. If not, you can check my previous videos, or I'll keep that in the link description, or you can check my I button. I might post that as well. So, there we need to send the request. Now, let's see. Sending request is fine. Now, whenever you get the response, you should also add your CSRF token. You need to send the CSRF token so that it gets updated. Now, how to send that? Let's open the controller. We have many errors we have written, right? So, there you need to send a CSRF response as well. So, I'll add CSRF tokens responses. If you see the code which we have written in our footer, it is waiting for CSRF underscore token, right? So we'll add that CSRF underscore token gives rise to the token. Okay, CSRF token. So now let's test with some values. If you get error, It's fine. Again, let's test. And you can see with every response we are getting a CSRF token. I'll show you in the console networks. Every CSRF, every response, AJAX response is getting CSRF token and it is getting updated, right? So form gets successfully submitted. That's it. Now your CodeIgniter 4 application is protected against CSRF attacks. Let's quickly recap what we have learned today. What CSRF is and why it is dangerous. How attackers exploit these forms and AJAX request. How to enable CSRF in CodeIgniter 4. How to secure AJAX request with CSRF tokens. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, comment your thoughts below and subscribe to Codemaster Lab for more CodeIgniter 4 tutorials. See you in next video.